Have you ever looked closely at an old stone wall or a rocky outcrop and noticed a vibrant tapestry of green and gray clinging to its surface? It makes you wonder how these tiny organisms survive on solid rock, and if they might actually be doing something to it. Yes, lichens and mosses absolutely can initiate rock decomposition, a process known as biological weathering. These fascinating organisms play a crucial and often underestimated role in the breakdown of rocks, paving the way for soil formation and supporting entire ecosystems. The primary mechanisms involve both chemical and physical weathering. Lichens, which are a symbiotic relationship between a fungus and an alga or cyanobacterium, produce organic acids like oxalic acid. These acids slowly dissolve the minerals within the rock, weakening its structure and turning solid material into softer, more friable particles. Mosses, on the other hand, contribute significantly through physical processes. Their dense mats retain moisture against the rock surface, which can enhance chemical reactions and contribute to freeze-thaw weathering cycles in colder climates. Furthermore, as mosses grow, their delicate rhizoids, which are root-like structures, can penetrate tiny cracks and fissures, exerting subtle but continuous pressure that slowly widens these openings. To observe this process in action, you can look for telltale signs on exposed rocks in humid or shaded environments. Notice areas where lichens appear to be etching into the rock surface, creating shallow pits or discolorations. Moss-covered rocks might show a greater degree of surface crumbling or a softer, more weathered texture compared to bare rock sections nearby. Remember, this is a slow, gradual process, often taking many years to become visibly apparent. What makes lichens particularly remarkable is their status as pioneering organisms. They are often the first forms of life to colonize barren rock surfaces, transforming them into suitable habitats for other plants. This initial breakdown by lichens and mosses creates the first fragile layer of organic matter and mineral particles, which eventually forms the very foundation of soil. Their presence also alters the microclimate directly on the rock surface, influencing temperature and moisture levels, further facilitating the weathering process and contributing to crucial biogeochemical cycles. Ultimately, the humble lichen and moss are for more than just decorative growths on rocks. They are patient, persistent geomorphic agents, actively involved in breaking down the toughest geological structures. Their continuous, gentle work is fundamental to creating new habitats, fostering biodiversity, and slowly but surely reshaping Earth's landscapes, highlighting the incredible power of life to influence its inorganic surroundings.